So hello friends, Birlasoft just released their tester apprenticeship internship. It's a really great opportunity for the students of 2024 and 2025 batch from the B.Tech, CS, IT, EC and ETC electrical circuit branches with programming language knowledge is mandatory. Okay, and you can see the job summary. They are seeking a proactive and enthusiastic IT service delivery apprentices or interns to join their team. Okay, the apprentice or intern will assist in delivering high quality IT services to their clients and internal teams. Okay, so and here are the preferred skills. You can see that you must have knowledge of any one of the programming languages and SQL knowledge. After that, software development life cycle, you have to know about that, and testing, some of the testing frameworks you have to know, and testing tools. And after that, some methodology of the testings, and then one of the testing certification if you have, then it will be beneficial for you for the shortlisting. And here are the key responsibilities. And one of the great things is that you will get 32,875 rupees per month as a intern stipend. Okay, internship stipend. And here are the eligibility criteria: year of graduation 2024-2025, and 60% overall, and all of the basic things you can consider or prefer. Okay, and the link I will provide. And this hiring is through Superset, so just go there and apply if you are from 2024 or 2025 batch. So thank you friends, bye bye.